If you're a marketer or agency looking to convert more website visitors into paying customers, Hey Oliver is marketing automation software designed to help you do just that. It tracks every visitor's activity, like demographics, page views, referrals, clicks, and events, so you can create hyper-personalized automated campaigns in real time. With Hey Oliver, you can segment visitors based on behavior and engagement levels, then send targeted messages that boost sales and build lasting relationships. The platform also includes an integrated live chat and support widget called Bubbly, which can be customized to match your brand and guide visitors through your funnel. Hey Oliver gives you a clear marketing dashboard showing metrics like active campaigns, lead generation, and real-time visitor data. Plus, it integrates with popular tools like Zapier and offers API access for deeper automation. Starting at just $49 for lifetime access with support for 3 websites, Hey Oliver makes it easier than ever to nurture leads and grow your business. Don't miss out. Grab the deal with the purchase link in the description below.